Abhishek started a business investing 50,000 rupees. After 1 year, he invested another 30,000 and Sudhin joined him with a capital of 70,000 rupees. If the profit earned in 3 years of starting of business was 87,500, then find the share of Sudhin in the profit. Okay, so Abhishek's investment here is of 50,000 rupees and he is investing for the time period of 3 years. Alright, after 1 year he invests another 13,000 rupees. So again he invests another 30,000 rupees and he is investing this after 1 year. So he is investing this 30,000 for the remainder of 2 years. And Sudhin joined him with a capital of 70,000. So Sudhin again joins him. So Sudhin's investment here is of 70,000 rupees and he's joining him after 1 year. So he's investing this 70,000 for the remainder of 2 years. Alright. If the profit earned in 3 years of starting of business was 87,500, then find the share of Sudhin in the profit. Now the profit will be divided among Abhishek and Sudhin on the basis of their investment and the time period of their investment. So the ratio of the profit, the ratio in which the profit will be shared among Abhishek and Sudhin here will be, let's get rid of this 4 zeros. Abhishek's investment here is 5 3s are 15 plus 3 2s are 6 and Sudhin here is 7 2s are 14. Or I can say that this is 21:14, 7 3s are 7 2s are. So the profit will be divided among Abhishek and Sudhin in the ratio of 3:2. We are asked what is the share of Sudhin. To calculate the share of Sudhin, we have learned this in the ratio. We get the ratio of Sudhin, which is 2, divided by total ratio, which is 3 plus 2 5, multiplied by total profit, which is 87,500. Now we'll simplify. 5 1s are 5 7s are 35, 2 5 5s are 25 0 0 and 0 0 5 2s are 10 15 35. So Sudhin's share here is of 35,000. So here option E is the correct one, none of this, and the correct answer is 35k.